Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here on behalf of Health Wisdom. Today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you. It's all about how a simple bedtime snack can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. Tonight we're exploring a simple yet powerful way to boost muscle health, your bedtime snack. This isn't just any snack, it's a strategic one that can help you maintain and even build muscle as you sleep. As the day winds down, imagine setting the stage for your body to rebuild and grow stronger. The right nutrients consumed before bed can work wonders while you rest, aiding in muscle repair and growth. Science shows that what you eat before bed can significantly impact muscle health, especially as we age. It's not just about eating, it's about eating smart and choosing foods that support your body's natural processes. Discover 7 bedtime foods that can rebuild muscle and restore strength, no matter your age. These foods are not only nutritious but also delicious, making it easy to incorporate them into your nightly routine. We'll explore the science behind each one and how to incorporate them into your evening routine. From protein-rich options to those packed with essential vitamins and minerals, these snacks are designed to optimize your health. With the right nutrition, you can fight muscle loss and wake up feeling stronger. Imagine starting your day with more energy and vitality, all thanks to a simple change in your nighttime habits. Let's get started on this journey to a healthier you. Together we'll unlock the hidden power of your bedtime snack and transform your nights into a time of rejuvenation and strength building. Kicking off our list is a powerhouse often overlooked cottage cheese. This unassuming dairy product is more than just a simple snack, it's a nutritional gem that can play a crucial role in your nighttime routine. This humble dairy product is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually. Unlike other proteins that are digested quickly, casein provides a prolonged release of nutrients. Eating cottage cheese before bed provides a steady supply of muscle-building blocks throughout the night. This means your muscles get the nourishment they need while you sleep, aiding in recovery and growth. This helps prevent muscle protein breakdown and promotes muscle protein synthesis. Essentially, it ensures that your muscles are continuously fed with the necessary nutrients to repair and grow. Studies show that consuming casein before sleep can boost muscle regrowth, even in older adults. This is particularly beneficial as muscle mass tends to decrease with age, making it harder to maintain strength and mobility. Cottage cheese is also rich in leucine, an essential amino acid that triggers muscle growth. Leucine plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis, making it a vital component of any muscle-building diet. Incorporate half a cup to a full cup into your evening routine, plain or with berries or nuts. This not only enhances the flavor but also adds additional nutrients and antioxidants. Cottage cheese offers a practical and effective way to support muscle health while you sleep. It's easy to prepare and can be enjoyed in various ways, making it a versatile addition to your diet. Fuel your body correctly before bed to rebuild muscle and enhance your well-being. By making cottage cheese a part of your nightly routine, you can wake up feeling stronger and more refreshed. Next on our list are almonds, a crunchy snack packed with muscle-supporting nutrients. These little powerhouses are not just tasty but also incredibly beneficial for your overall health. Almonds provide plant-based protein and are rich in magnesium, which is essential for muscle function and recovery. Magnesium helps to relax muscles after a workout and reduces muscle cramps. This mineral is crucial for muscle function and recovery, ensuring that your muscles can repair and grow stronger after physical activity. They also contain vitamin E, an important antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protection is vital for maintaining muscle integrity and preventing long-term damage. The healthy fats in almonds reduce inflammation and support hormone production for muscle growth. These fats are also good for your heart, making almonds a great all-around snack. A handful of almonds before bed can help top up your magnesium levels and provide antioxidants. This simple habit can make a big difference in your muscle health. Pair them with Greek yogurt or cottage cheese for a powerful muscle-building snack. These combinations not only taste great but also provide a balanced mix of protein and healthy fats. Consistency is key. Make almonds a regular part of your evening routine. Incorporating them into your diet can help you maintain muscle mass and overall health. They are a simple, natural, and delicious way to fuel your body's nighttime repair work. Sharing this healthy habit with loved ones can also make it more enjoyable. Stay strong, active, and independent with this nutritious addition to your diet. Almonds are more than just a snack. they are a step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. At number 5, we have Greek yogurt, known for its rich texture and nutritional profile. Greek yogurt is packed with high-quality protein, including both casein and whey proteins. This dual-action protein profile supports muscle repair and growth while you sleep. It's also a good source of calcium and vitamin D, essential for muscle function and strength. Research shows that a pre-sleep protein meal can enhance overnight muscle protein synthesis. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties and add berries or nuts for added flavor and nutrition. Greek yogurt is a versatile and enjoyable bedtime snack that supports muscle health. Invest in your strength and mobility with this creamy, comforting food. At number 4, we have turkey, a lean source of complete protein. Turkey provides all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. It also contains tryptophan, which can improve sleep quality, aiding muscle recovery. B vitamins in turkey support energy and protein metabolism, optimizing muscle building. Studies show that pre-sleep protein like turkey enhances muscle recovery and net protein balance. A few slices of cooked turkey breast before bed provide targeted nutrition without feeling stuffed. Pair with whole grain crackers for a balanced snack. This simple addition can be a game changer for your overnight muscle maintenance strategy. Wake up restored and ready to tackle the day with renewed strength. At number 3, we have kiwi, a fruit that supports muscle recovery indirectly. Kiwi improves sleep quality, providing a longer period for muscle repair and growth hormone release. It's rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that aids tissue repair and collagen synthesis. Kiwi contains enzymes that aid protein digestion, enhancing nutrient absorption. Its anti-inflammatory properties create a favorable environment for muscle recovery. Eat 1 or 2 kiwi fruits about an hour before bed for optimal benefits. Kiwi enhances sleep quality and provides crucial antioxidants for muscle rejuvenation. It's a small fruit with a mighty impact on your recovery. Incorporate kiwi into your bedtime routine for better muscle health. At number 2, we have chamomile tea, a soothing beverage for muscle relaxation. Chamomile promotes relaxation and improves sleep quality, essential for muscle recovery. It contains apigenin, which decreases anxiety and initiates sleep. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties reduce muscle soreness and stiffness. It may have mild muscle relaxing effects, improving blood flow and nutrient delivery. Brew a cup of caffeine-free chamomile tea about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This ritual signals your body to wind down and enhances repair processes during sleep. Chamomile tea is a gentle yet powerful aid in your journey to better muscle health. Enjoy this calming beverage for improved sleep and muscle recovery. At number 1, we revisit cottage cheese, the ultimate overnight muscle restorer. Packed with slow-digesting casein protein, it provides a sustained release of amino acids. This promotes an anabolic state, maximizing muscle protein synthesis while you rest. A cup of low-fat cottage cheese offers a significant dose of high-quality protein. It's rich in glutamine, supporting muscle recovery, immune function, and gut health. Studies show pre-sleep casein consumption boosts overnight muscle protein synthesis. Cottage cheese is accessible, affordable, and versatile, making it easy to incorporate. It's a simple, evidence-based strategy for supporting muscle health goals. Make cottage cheese a regular part of your pre-sleep routine for a stronger, healthier you. There you have it, 7 fantastic bedtime foods to rebuild muscle and regain strength. From cottage cheese to chamomile tea, each option supports your body's repair processes. Muscle loss isn't inevitable. It can be managed and reversed with the right strategies. Your body is capable of repair and regeneration at any age with the right fuel. Start small by incorporating 1 or 2 of these foods into your evening routine. Consistency is key. Make it a habit for long-term benefits. Thank you for joining me at Health Wisdom. Here's to your strength and health. Try adding these foods tonight and feel the difference.